Hello, little learners. Welcome to our channel. The boys play in the park. The correct answer is the boy plays in the park. The cat chases the mice. The correct answer is the cats chase the mice. The girls sing a song. The correct answer is the girl sings a song. The dog runs fast. The correct answer is the dogs run fast. The children reads book. The answer is the child reads a book. The teacher writes on the board. The answer is the teachers write on the board. The birds fly in the sky. The answer is the bird flies in the sky. The baby drinks milk. The answer is the babies drink milk. The monkey swings on the tree. The monkeys swing on the tree. The doctor helps the patients. The doctors help the patient. The lion roars loudly. The answer is the lions roar loudly. The flowers bloom in the garden. The answer is the flower blooms in the garden. The ducks swim in the pond. The answer is the duck swims in the pond. The stars shine at night. The answer is the star shines at night. The cows eat grass. The answer is the cow eats grass. The rabbits hop in the field. The rabbit hops in the field. The men work in the factory. The answer is the man works in the factory. The women cook food. The answer is the woman cooks food. The police officers help people. The police officer helps people. The trains move on the tracks. The train moves on the track. The horses run in the field. The horse runs in the field. The bees buzz around the flowers. The bee buzzes around the flower. The shops open early. The answer is the shop opens early. The kids play with toys. The answer is the kid plays with a toy. The foxes hunt at night. The answer is the fox hunts at night. The chefs cook delicious food. The chef cooks delicious food. The teachers teach students. The teacher teaches students. The lamps glow in the dark. The answer is the lamp glows in the dark. The babies sleep peacefully. The answer is the baby sleeps peacefully. The ships sail on the ocean. The ship sails on the ocean. The owls hoot at night. Answer is the owl hoots at night. The apples fall from the tree. Answer is the apple falls from the tree. The puppies bark loudly. The puppy barks loudly. The leaves turn yellow in autumn. The leaf turns yellow in autumn. The clocks show the time. The clock shows the time. The buses stop at the station. The bus stops at the station. The chairs are in the room. The answer is the chair is in the room. The clocks tick all day. The clock ticks all day. The lamps shine brightly. The lamp shines brightly. The parrots talk to each other. The parrot talks to each other. The painters paint the walls. The painter paints the wall. The dancers perform on stage. The dancer performs on stage. The villagers celebrate festivals. The villager celebrates festival. The cups hold water. The cup holds water. The mothers take care of their children. The mother takes care of her children. The students write in their notebooks. The student writes in his notebook. The candles melt in the heat. The candle melts in the heat. The policemen catch the thief. The policeman catches the thief. The players win the match. The player wins the match. The magicians perform tricks. The magician performs tricks. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you so much.